Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Game Pass for Roblox on the PS5 using your phone. Now you will need to get your phone or get on a PC in order to create a Game Pass for Roblox on the PS5. You will just go to roblox.com and then you will click on continue in browser. Now right here you will need to sign into your Roblox account and we are going to click on create here. Once you click on create, then you will see your experiences. So you want to click on the three lines in the top left, go into creations, choose your game, it doesn't matter which game. Then again you will click on the three lines, then monetization and passes. So you want to click on passes. Once you click on passes, you will select create pass. Here you can set a name for your pass. PS5 pass is what I'm gonna call it. You can add an image for your pass as well, and you will just click on create pass. And just like that, we have created one, and it's gonna pop up on your PS5 as long as you enable it. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.